चैतन्य चंद्राय नमो नमस्ते, चैतन्य चंद्राय नमो नमस्ते, श्री चैतन्य चंद्राय नमः। श्री चैतन्य महाप्रभु is Krishna, is not different from Krishna, is Abhinna Krishna. But his mood is different. His mood is the mood of a devotee. आपने करी भक्त भाव अंगीकारे, आपने आचरी भक्ति सिखामु सवारे. It's Krishna's thought. आपने करी भक्त भाव अंगीकारे, आपने आचरी भक्ति सिखामु सवारे. I will accept the mood of a devotee. I will practice devotion in my own life and teach. Unless आपने ना कोईले धर्म सिखान ना जाए, यही तो सिद्धांत गीता भागवते कहे. This is Siddhanta, conclusions drawn in Gita and Bhagavata. आपने नहीं कहले भक्ति धर्म सिखान ना जाए. Unless you practice yourself in your life, you cannot teach. So this is Mahaprabhu's principle. आपने आचरी धर्मो अपरि सिखाओ. You first observe in your life, then teach. This Mahaprabhu to teach Krishna. Mahaprabhu is Krishna, but he came as a bhakta, devotee, to teach us devotion, how to surrender unto Krishna, how to be a devotee to Krishna, how to render loving service unto Krishna. Therefore he came. But he is Krishna, he is not different from Krishna. Braja Leela and Gaura Leela are Navadip Leela. You understand? Same Leela, Krishna Leela is Gaura Leela. Gaura Leela is Krishna Leela. Gaura is Krishna. Krishna is Gaura. But in Brajabhumi, Rasaraja and Mahabhavamayi, Madhunakya Mahabhavamayi, Srimati Radharani, two bodies. Rasaraja and Mahabhavamati, two, Krishna and Radha. That is Braja Leela. But in Gaura Leela, these two bodies combined together, that is Gaura. Krishna and Radha combined together, one body. There are two bodies, whereas there is one body. This is the difference, nothing else. This is Gaura. So Gaura Leela is Krishna Leela, Krishna Leela is Gaura Leela. But as there is no difference between Nami and Namo, Abhinnatam Namo Namina, there is no difference between name of Krishna and Krishna himself. It's Abhinna. But Purvameva Parasmat Hanta Karunam, that is there. Purvameva Parasmat Hanta Karunam. Nami and Nama, of these two, former and latter. Nami and Nama. Of these two, former and latter. Latter is more merciful than the former. Purvameva Param Hanta Karunam. Though there is no difference between Nami and Nama, name Krishna himself and his name, but his name is more merciful than Krishna. Latter is more merciful than the former. Similarly, there is no difference between Gaura and Krishna, Krishna and Gaura. Krishna Leela is Gaura Leela, Gaura Leela is Krishna Leela. But Krishna Leela is Madhurjamaya Leela, whereas Gaura Leela is Udarjamaya Leela. There are two divisions. Madhurja, Udarja. Understand my language? No. Madhurja means what? Sweet. In English you say, very sweet. It's Madhurja. Udarja is magnanimous. That's Udarja. So, Krishna Leela is Madhurjamaya Leela, is very sweet Leela. Gaura Leela is Udarjamaya Leela. Do you understand? Udarjamaya Vigraha is Gaura. Very magnanimous. Adbhuta Udarja. Wonderfully magnanimous. Adbhuta Karunya, Adbhuta Udarja, Adbhuta Budanya. This Gaura. Kaviraj Goswami used this word, Adbhuta, wonderful, 3 times. Adbhuta Udarja, Adbhuta, Bodhanya, Adbhuta Karunya. This Gaura. It's wonderfully magnanimous, wonderfully munificent, wonderfully merciful. That's Gaura. He never discriminates whether one is Uttama or Adham, most elevated and most degraded. Uttama Adham kichuna bachilo, jachiye dile kokolo. Uttama Adham kichuna bachilo, jachiye dile kokolo. Kahi Premanando এমন গৌরাঙ্গী হৃদয়ী ধরিয়া বলো, কহি প্রেমানন্দ এমন গৌরাঙ্গী হৃদয়ী ধরিয়া বলো। ভজ গৌরাঙ্গ কহ গৌরাঙ্গ লহ গৌরাঙ্গীর নামরি, ভজ গৌরাঙ্গ কহ গৌরাঙ্গ লহ গৌরাঙ্গের নাম রে। যে জনা গৌরাঙ্গ ভোজি সে হইয়া মারু প্রাণ রে। যে জনা গৌরাঙ্গ ভোজি সে হইয়া মারু প্রাণ রে। ভজ গৌরাঙ্গ কহ গৌরাঙ্গ লহ গৌরাঙ্গীর নাম রে। ভজ গৌরাঙ্গ কহ গৌরাঙ্গ লহ গৌরাঙ্গের নাম রে। এই জানা গৌরাঙ্গ ভোজি সে হইয়া আমার প্রাণ রে। যে জানা গৌরাঙ্গ ভোজে সে হইয়া আমার রে। হরে কৃষ্ণ 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 হরে হরে, হরে রাম 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 হরে হরে, হরে কৃষ্ণ 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 হরে হরে, হরে রাম 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 হরে হরে, হরে কৃষ্ণ 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 হরে হরে, হরে রাম 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 হরে হরে, হরে কৃষ্ণ 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 হরে হরে, হরে রাম 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 হরে হরে। This is Gauranga. উদাম অধম কিছু না বাছিল, যাচিয়ে দিলে কপোল, কহি প্রেমানন্দ ইমান গৌরাঙ্গে হৃদয় ধরিয়া বল। He never discriminates whether one is Uttama or Adham, most elevated or most degraded. Without discrimination, he offers his, calls everybody to come to his fold. He is ready to embrace one body, everybody, whether one is Uttama or Adham. Do you understand? Such Gauranga. Adbhuta Udarjamaya Vigraha. Wonderfully merciful, wonderfully magnanimous. Therefore, যে জন গৌরাঙ্গ ভজে সে হই আমার প্রাণ। ভজ গৌরাঙ্গ কহ গৌরাঙ্গ লো গৌরাঙ্গর নাম রে। Utter name of Gauranga, chant name of Gauranga. Saying the name of Gauranga. Do you understand? যে জন গৌরাঙ্গ ভজি সে হই আমার প্রাণ। নরোত্তম দাস ঠাকুর says that thing. গৃহে বা বনেস্তে থাকে হা গৌরাঙ্গ বলি ডাকে, নরোত্তম মাগে তার সঙ্গ। নরোত্তম দাস ঠাকুর says who always says, Ha Gauranga, Ha Gauranga. Grihira Paniste, wherever he may be, Gurhavasi or Vanavasi, living in the house, householder, or an ascetic, living in the forest, wherever he may be, whatever condition, one who says, Ha Gauranga. Narottam Das Thakur seeks his association, Mageta Sangha. Do you understand? Je jana Gauranga bhaji, se hoy amar pran. One who does Gauranga bhajan, he is my life and soul. This is Gauranga. Do you understand? Gaurangir madhurlila jar korni praveshila. Hrudaya nirmala bhelo such sweet madhurya and udharjamaya lila. Magnanimous lila. Gauranga's lila pastimes. In whose ears such pastimes enter. Hrudaya nirmala hai. His heart becomes purified. Do you understand? Gaura lila. Gauranga Mahaprabhu, taking of sannyas, stayed in Jagannath Puri Dham, Sri Khetra, Purushottam Dham. Do you follow? Sri Khetra, Purushottam Dham, Jagannath Puri Dham. Vipralambha Khetra is Vipralambha Khetra. Sri Khetra, Purushottam Dham is Vipralambha Khetra. Jagannath's, you see, look at Jagannath, what is his form? What is his form? It's Krishna. But what form he has? Big eyes, dilated eyes. Hands, legs shrunken. Like Kusmanda, like tortoise. Limbs are sunken into the body. Isn't it? This ecstatic form, Mahabhava Prakasha. Gauranga Mahaprabhu is in Radha Bhav. Do you understand? Radha Bhav. Radha Bhav is predominating in Gauranga. Though he is Krishna, but his mood is different. Radha Bhav is predominating. Crying for Krishna. Gauranga Mahaprabhu is crying for Krishna always. He is Krishna himself, but crying for Krishna. Ko Krishna Nanda Kula Chandrama. Ko Krishna Mandra Murali Rava. Ko Krishna Nanda Kula Chandrama. Ko Krishna Mandra Murali Rava. Ko Krishna Rasa Tandavi. Isn't it? Ko Krishna Sikhi Kalankrudi. Sikhi Kalankrudi. Ha hanta, digvidhi. Do you follow? This is Radharani's words. Radharani is saying like that and crying. And same mood is Mahaprabhu's mood. Do you follow? Same mood is Mahaprabhu's mood. Same mood is Mahaprabhu's mood. Ko Nanda Kula Chandrama, ko Sikhi Kalankrudi, ko Mandra Murali Rava, ko Surendra Niladudi, ko Rasa Rasa Tandavi, ko Sakhi Jivan Rakshu Sadhir Nidhir Mama, Sruttama Kotavahanta, Ha Digvidhi. This is Radharani's. In Lalita Madhava, Rupa Goswami has mentioned this is Radharani's pradap. Delirium, madman's delirium. Pradap. Prasita Bhartruka Radha Vilapo Kataro Prasita Bhartruka Radha Vilapo Kataro Bale Sakhi Kothananda Kula Sasadharo Bole Sakhi Kothananda Kula Sasadharo Sikhi Chandra Lankaro Kotha Gelo Bolo Sikhi Chandra Lankaro Kotha Gela Bolo गम्भीर मुरलीरव कारी कोथा गेल मन्दिर मुरलीरव कारी कोथा गेल इन्द्र नीलमणि द्युति पुरुष उत्तम इन्द्र नीलमणि द्युति
पुरुष उत्तम
रास रसो ताण्डवीवा तव श्रुतम रास रस ताण्डवीवा तव श्रुतम मम प्राण रक्षौषधि निधि कोथा बोलो मम प्राण रक्षौषधि
निधि कोथा बोलो
धी विधि भाग्य लिखे ছিলে এই ফল দিক বিধি ভাগ্য লিখে This Radharani is crying. Radharani is crying. Radharani has become mad. This madman's delirium pralap. Ko nanda kula chandrama ko sikhi kalam kruti. Oh my Sakhi. Radharani is speaking to her girl companion Sakhi, Lalita Vishakha. Do you follow? Virohini Radha kohi Suno go lolite Virohini Radha kohi Suno go lolite Krishnero birahjoro na parivarnite Krishnero birahjoro na parivarnite. Do you understand? Radharani is feeling the acute pang of separation from Krishna. Virohini Radha says to her most intimate girl companion Lalite, oh my dear friend Lalite, Krishna birahjoro na parivarnite. Such high degree of temperature, fever has come to me. This birahjoro feeling pangs of acute pang of separation from Krishna. Such acute pang, high degree of temperature. I cannot describe it. So crying, delirium. High degree of temperature, one becomes mad. Head reels, isn't it? The doctor says, put ice bag on his head. High degree of temperature. Yes. It's delirium, that's it. Prasita bhartruga radha vidapakatara. Bole Sakhi kothananda kula sasadara. Oh my dear girl companion Sakhi, where is that? Moon of Nanda dynasty? Raja Kula Chandrama, Nanda Kula Chandrama, it's that Krishna. Sikhi Alankar, Chandra Alankar, kotha gelo bolo. But that Krishna's crest is peacock feather. It's only on Krishna's crest is peacock feather, nobody else, no. On whose speck is peacock feather? Where is he? Where is he? Where is he? Kotha gelo bolo. Gambhira murali rabakari kotha gelo. Where is that Krishna? On whose lips flute is there? Plays so sweetly. Where is he? Can you put flute anybody? Can you put flute on Gaura? No. Though is Krishna, you can't put flute on Gaura. How can you put a sick peacock feather on his crest who is crying for Krishna? It's like Radharani. The same. His mood is disturbed. Mood is disturbed. Though Krishna, his mood is different. Prabhupada said, don't disturb the mood of Gauranga. Don't disturb. Is it painful? It's very painful to him. Our service is meant to give you pleasure, not pain. We are servants. We must render service to please him, not for our pleasure. Service is meant for his pleasure, not for our pleasure. Huh? He is to be pleased. So he cannot cry. Oh, you are Krishna, pick up feather is on your head. Huh? Oh, Gaura, hey, pick up feather is on your head. You are Krishna. Oh, I am Krishna. Oh, I cannot cry now. How can I say where is Krishna? Nakula Chandra. Where is Sikhi Kalankruti? Where is that Krishna Anubhas? Huh? Speak. Peacock feather is there. Huh? Sikhi Alankar kotha gelo belo. Gambhira Murali Rabakari kotha gelo. Indra Nilamani Diti Purushottama. Huh? That Krishna, Indra Nilamani, blue complexion, Krishna. Huh? Rasa Rasatandavi, who dances in Ras. Where is that Krishna? Oh, Sakhi, please tell me, where is he? Where he has gone? Mama, Prana Rakhyosidi Nidhi kotha gelo. Who is a soothing balm to my afflicted heart. Prana Rakhyosidi. Oh, Sakhi, where is he? দেখ বিধি ভাগ্যে লিখেছিল alas বিধি creator has written this thing in my bhagya. I have to cry whole life crying. This is my bhagya. Yes, do you understand, Dinasam? Cry whole life, cry. Yes. He has written in my bhagya, in my fortune. Dhik vidhi, I have to cry only. Mahaprabhu is always crying. Rorudyamana. Feeling pangs of separation. Do you understand? It is vipralambha bhava. Pangs of separation from Krishna. He is Krishna himself. But feeling pangs of separation because he is Radha bhava. Radha bhava is predominating, is vipralambha bhava. They follow Gaura, crying for Krishna, feeling pangs of separation from Krishna. But Jagannath Khetra, vipralambha Khetra. As Radharani is crying for Krishna is crying for Radha bhava. Yeah, Krishna is now separated. There is separation, Radha and Krishna. Akrura came, took away Rama and Krishna from Brajabhumi to Mathura. Isn't it? So gopis, all Brajavasis, including all gopis, Radharani, feeling pangs of separation, acute pang of separation. Isn't it? Crying, whole day and night, crying. Crying. Follow? Given up everything. Eating, sleeping, everything. Yes. Radha has become mad. Yes. Manumahadha, madness. Lalita Madhava, Rupa Goswami has written that. Brahmati bhavanagarbhe nirnimitang hasanti pradhayati tavavarthang chetana chetanesu luthati cha bhuvi radha kampitangi murare visama viraho khedodgara vibhranta chitta. You understand? They are feeling pangs of separation from Krishna in Brajabhumi. Gopis, including Radharani, all Brajavasis. So there in Mathura, Dwarka, Krishna also feels pangs of separation from Gopis and Radha. Isn't it? Radha is Krishna viraha katara, where Krishna is Radha viraha katara. That is Jagannath, Radha viraha katara. Krishna, here Radharani, Gaura, Krishna viraha katara. Do you understand my language? Understand my language? Gaura is Krishna viraha katara, because in Radha bhav. Jagannath is Krishna, Radha viraha katara. Both are viraha katara. So, Gaura stayed in Jagannath Puri Dham, Vipralambha Khetra. Both are Viraha Katara, feeling pangs of separation. Gaura is Krishna, but in Radharam, feeling pangs of separation from Krishna, and Jagannath is Krishna, feeling pangs of separation from Radha. Therefore, his form is like that. Radhe, Radhe, Radhe. Gopi, Gopi, Gopi. Huh? Say, Mahabhava Prakasha. Huh? So, dilated eyes. Legs, hands shrunken. This is Vipralambha Bhava. Mahabhava. This is Mahabhava. So Uddhava came. Krishna sent Uddhava to Brajabhumi, isn't it? What to do? Krishna cannot come now. And they cannot come to Mathura. Krishna cannot go to Brajabhumi. What to do? Send message. Message of love. Message of love. Do you follow? Message of love. There is some, to give some consolation. Do you follow? To give some consolation. It is not that, this is not one-sided. It is love means two sides are there. Two sides are there, lover and beloved. Two sides are there. So, the gopis, including Radharani, they are feeling pangs of separation. They have become mad. Yes. As if, though they are surviving, they are dead. Jivanmurta. Similarly, Krishna in Mathura is also always feeling pangs of separation from this gopis and Radha. Therefore, his dear devotee Uddhava, na tatha me priyatama atma jonir na shankara, na sankarsana, na srir, naivatma, jatha bhava. Uddhava is so dear. Uddhava is so dear. Therefore, who can carry this message of love? Such person is required. Who can carry the message of love? It's very dear, intimate friend. Uddhava. So, he called Uddhava. Uddhava is so dear. Natha me priyatama atma jonir na shankara, no sankarsana, no srir naivatma jatha bhavan. Atma joni, Brahma is not so dear to me. Shankar, Shivaji is not so dear to me. My brother Sankarsana is not so dear to me. My wife Sri Lakshmi Devi is not so dear to me. Naivatma, my Atma is not so dear to me. That means I myself is not so dear to me. Jatha Bhavan, oh Uddhava, you are so dear. So called him. Krishna called him. Because he is the befitting person to carry this message of love. Do you understand? Called him close to him, very close, intimate. Just seated him on his lap. And to follow Uddhava, I will say, Krishna cut hold of the right hand of Uddhava like that. Yes, like that. Then says, with very pitiful voice, Karun Swara, Gachodhava Brajang Saumya Pitrorna Pritima Bahu Gopinang Madhavayoga Adhing Matsanda Sevi Bodhaya. 10th canto, Srimad Bhagavatam. Uddhava, my dear friend, Gacho, go, Brajabhumi. Go to Brajabhumi. Pitrorna Pritimavaho Gopinang Madhvayogading Masanda Sibhosya. My father and mother, Nanda Maharaj, Yashoda Mata, they are lamenting, feeling pangs of separation. And Gopinang, all gopis headed by Radharani, Madhyogadi, feeling acute pang of separation from me. Huh? Do you understand? Very, very acute. Do you understand? You go and deliver my sandesh, love him. Message of love, and just console them. Do you follow? He says, Madhyogadhi, feeling pangs of separation from me, this yoga separation, viraha. This is the highest level of prem. Highest level of prem is yoga viraha. Yes. Do you understand? Mat sandeshi, deliver my sandesh, my message. Message of love and console them. They are feeling pangs of separation for me. I am the same, feeling pangs of separation for them. So, this is the only means of consolation, nothing else. Krishna himself says this thing. Now, Uddhava went, Uddhava saw what is their love, such love for Krishna. Uddhava, Brihaspati Shishya, disciple of Brihaspati. Brihaspati, that means Pandit Jnani. Brihaspati Pandit Jnani, his disciple, Brihaspati Shishya. Brisinam Pravara. Do you follow? So he is a Jnani Bhakta, lacking prem. Jnani Bhakta. And he had some pride that I am Jnani Bhakta. Follow me. Very dear to Krishna. So Krishna understand. Oh, very dear friend, lacking something. So I must give him the highest thing. So unless he goes to Brajabhumi, sees the gopis, gets some opportunity, a chance of associating with gopis, he cannot develop prem. You follow? That's Krishna's desire. And that's Krishna's mercy. That's Krishna's mercy. For he sent. He sent. So, Uddhava went. Uddhava stayed there 3 months in Brajabhumi. 3 months. And saw their love. Pure love. Pure love. Unmixed, no mixture. Uddhava has bhakti, but jnana misra. Mixed with jnana, not pure. Jnana misra, Aishwarya misra bhakti. Do you understand? Spriti sankuchita. Love is sunken. Kevala bhakti. Only bhakti is there. Only pure prem bhakti. Wide open. That is Gopi, Radharani. Madanyat tena jananti nahum tebhyo managapi. Krishna said, they don't know anything but me. I don't know anything but them. This is pure love. The Brajaramagana, the damsels of Brajabhumi, they are my life. Uddhava, they are my life. Prana. I am here now in Mathura, being away from them. It's only living. But I have no enthusiasm, no pleasure at all. Only living here. My body is here. But life, my mind, my heart, everything is there. My body is lying here. Oh, Uddhava. I am doing some activity here because have to do duty sake. Like a machine I am doing, mechanically doing. I am breathing, inhaling, exhaling. Do you understand? But my mind, my heart, everything is there. in Brajabhumi. Do you understand? Huh? If we ask, oh Krishna, huh? Why this condition? Why you are in this condition, Baba? Huh? Krishna, Supreme Lord, why are you in this condition? Huh? If this question will be asked, what will he say? Huh? He says, Je tyakta loka dharmascho madarthitan vibhasmyaham. Huh? Oh. You are asking me this question? Huh? Oh Krishna, why this condition? Huh? Why you are in such condition? We are feeling so pang of separation from them. Je tyakta loka dharmascha madarthitan vibharsyam. Huh? They have given up everything for me. Huh? They are, what do you say, loka dharma. Sarva dharmana paritejya. Ah, this is complete surrender based on pure love. Loka dharma, Veda dharma. Ah, what people will say? People will criticize. Yes, criticism is there. Yes. Radha is a great prostitute. Yes. Kobana dati jamunankuli numbana Radha name krotapavada. Huh? Who is not going to the bank of Jamuna to fetch water? All are going. If Radha goes, Radha becomes Klota, prostitute. Huh? This criticism is there for Radharani Baba. Understand me? Dinasya. Yes. These people have not spared Radha also. These people have not spared Sita Devi. It's crest. Huh? Jewel of Sati Shiromani. Huh? Crest jewel of chaste ladies. She became prostitute. Yes. This Lokapavada. This Lokapavada. People won't spare. Yes. Radharani is not spared. Sita Devi is not spared. What to speak of us? Who are we? Tiny jivas. This is there. Tyakta loka dharmasya madarthyatan vibhasyam. Krishna says, Krishna knows this thing. They have given up everything. Loka dharma, Veda dharma, Samada dharma. Do you understand me? Family dharma, society dharma, Veda dharma, everything they have given up for me. For me. Huh? Dharma, everything. They have given up for me. They are so dear to me. Therefore, they are like my heart. Je jatha mang prapadyante, tangs tatheva bhajamyaham. Krishna's words. One who does bhajan, according to his bhajan, I reciprocate. Do you follow? But gopis, damsels of Brajabhumi, their love is pure love. Their feeling, pangs of separation, very acute pang, yes. It's such, I say, high degree of fever. So sometimes they faint. Ghana, repeatedly they faint. Fainting. Yes, always spending time, fainting. Thereby, they are surviving. This is Gopi Viraha Vidhura, Radha Viraha Vidhura, Krishna. That is Jagannath. Gopi Viraha Vidhura, Radha Viraha Vidhura. Therefore this form is there. And Mahaprabhu went there, which is Radha, Krishna Viraha Vidhura. Both combined. Gopi Viraha, Radha Viraha Vidhura, and here Krishna Viraha Vidhura. So Mahaprabhu stayed there. In Sri Khetra, in Purushottama Khetra is Vipralambha Khetra. Understand my language? Is feeling of separation. Both sides. Gopi Viraha Vidhura, Radha Viraha Vidhura, and Krishna Viraha Vidhura. When Mahaprabhu went, to Purushottam Khetra. He was just close to Purushottam Khetra going and could see the flag, the top of the temple, Jagannath. Seeing the flag, became ecstatic. Oh, ran so swiftly. Those who are going with him, Nityananda Prabhu and other devotees, they couldn't keep pace. They couldn't keep pace. Ran so swiftly, directly entered into Jagannath temple. And saw Jagannath is Radha Bhav. Lord Jagannath showed him beautiful Shyama Sundar form. He looks like what? And he showed him beautiful Shyama Sundar form. Beautiful Shyama Sundar form. Because who is in that Radha Bhav only, Jagannath will show him that form. Otherwise, who can see that form? He won't show that form to everybody. But everybody is not that mood. Jagannath showed him beautiful Shyam Sundar form. Isn't Radha Mahaprabhu? Oh, Lord of my heart! Do you understand? Running. But in the middle, fell fainted. That is that. So Uddhava saw all these things. Going to Brajabhumi, then he condemned himself. Oh, such love they have for Krishna. What I was thinking, I am very dear. Oh, so dear they are, such love. They have given up everything. You understand? It's said, they have given up eating, sleeping, everything. All is thinking, crying. Body has become skinny. The ornament they put on in their bodies, the skinny is all loose. The ring they put on the little finger, now that is bangle here on the arm. Kanishta mudrika kankana hoichi karaku. Uddhava hoye. Oh, Uddhava, you go and tell our condition to Krishna. Do you understand? So, Uddhava stayed 3 months there, saw everything with his own eyes, and changed, completely changed. Oh, my life is useless. My life is useless. What is this without this love? Krishna Prema. My life is useless. What is this Gyan? Brahaspati cannot give him. Brahaspati Gyani is Brahaspati Sishya, disciple of Brahaspati. Brahaspati cannot give him prema. He is lacking prema. So Krishna is so merciful towards his dear friend, sent, go there, then you'll have it. Then Uddhava, unless I get some dust from their lotus feet of the gopis, I cannot develop it. Krishna Prema. I cannot. So now he's seeking the dust. And if I beg, oh gopis, can you please give me some dust? They won't give me. So in this very life it is impossible. It is impossible. This life is impossible, quite impossible, that I'll get some dust from their feet and develop Krishna Prema. So he desired next life. Asamaha charanarenu jusamaha sam vrindavane kimapi gurmalatu sadhina dadastya sadan arjo pathancha hitva bhijur mukunda padavi sudhivir mrugyang. Uddhava's word. Asamaha charanarenu jusamaha sam vrindavane kimapi gurmalatu sadhina. In this life it is impossible to get the dust from their lotus feet of the gopis. So let me take another birth here in the Vrindavan as a blade of grass or a medicinal herb or some creeper here in this jungle of Vrindavan. Then I'll get a chance Because when the gopis feeling such madness, do you understand? Feeling acute pang of separation from Krishna, they turn mad. So when they're running in jungle Vrindavan, they never follow the path. So wherever they are running, by chance their feet may touch me. So I'll get a chance. I'll get some dust. Then my life will be successful. I'll develop Krishna prema, otherwise not possible in this very life. Therefore he sought for the dust from the feet of gopis. Huh? Do you follow? Then Uddhava came back and reported everything to Krishna. Huh? Uddhava had gone there to give consolation. They are crying. Huh? Who is crying? When somebody comes to give consolation. Raghunath Bhatta, why are you crying? You have lost your money, therefore you are crying. Huh? Raghunath Bhatta is crying to have lost his money, all business lost, all his capital lost, finished. Pauper. Now pauper. He's crying now. Then so, why are you crying? All material things, transitory things, it may lost any day, may be lost any day. Your body will be lost, you will be lost. Huh? Isn't everything? What do you say? Adyantabanta. Huh? All arrangement here in material world is temporary. Arrangement, adyantabanta. Huh? Isn't it? So why are you crying for temporary things? They are subject to be destroyed. Without condemned. Oh, what words are there? I have no words. What consolation? Can I say don't cry? How can I say? Then I will be a great offender. If you want to cry, cry for Krishna. Rather I will say cry more, cry more, cry more. How can you say no, don't cry? Don't cry for Krishna. What consolation I will give them, Baba? My mission is completely failed. I had come here for a mission, but I found my mission is completely failed, Baba. I have no words to give consolation. How can I say don't cry? Huh? Then I'll be a great offender. Rather I'll say no, cry more, cry more, cry more. You see, what is this? Same thing, huh? This is Brajalila, huh? Brajalila. And Radharani has become mad. The same madness Gaura has manifested. Because Radhava, Uddhava saw, then Uddhava come and reported it to Krishna. Lord Tamadhava, he has written, Rupa Goswami, Brahmati bhavana garbhe nirnimitang hasanti prathayati tava varthang chetana chetanesu luthati cha bhuvi radha kampitangi murare visama viraho khedadgara vibhranto chitta. That is the report of Uddhava. Uddhava kahe na tavo viroho katora. Uddhava kahe na tavo
viroho katora.
He murari radha ka rone hasyo pura. He murari radha ka rone hasyo pura. Griho madhye bhramyamana prasno jare tare. Griho madhye bhramyamana prasno jare tare. Acetan সচেতন কিছু না বিচারে, অচেতন সচেতন কিছু না বিচারে, বিষম বিরহ খেদে বিধুরা রাধিকা বিষম বিরহ খেদে বিধুরা রাধিকা বিভ্রান্তৈর বসেবে লুঠিছে মৃত্তিকা বিভ্রান্তের বসেবে লুঠিছে So Uddhava is reporting to Krishna. Uddhava bolene, tava birho katarao Krishna. Radharani is feeling very acute pang of separation from you. Birho katara, hey Murari. Radha okarane hasya para. All are laughing at her. All are laughing at her. And now, yes, do you understand? All are laughing at her. She has become mad. Feeling such acute pangs of your viraha. Inside the house, just moving, madman, mad person, Brahmyamana, just asking the wall. Somebody comes asking her about you, even nobody is there, asking the wall. Do you understand? Sachetana, achetana, kichu na bichare. Never discriminates whether he's conscious or unconscious, living or not living. Do you understand? Mad person. Madman. Mad person. Sachetana, achetana, kichu na bichare. Not discriminates whether living or not living, conscious or unconscious. Jare tare, whomever meets. Meets somebody else, say, where is Krishna? Where is Krishna? And nobody is there inside her house. Ask the wall, ask the cot, at the lampstand. Have you seen Krishna? Where is Krishna? Sachetana, achetana, kichu na vichar. Understand my language? Whether it's conscious or unconscious, living or not living. Vishama viraha khede vidura radhika vibhrantare vasebe lutheche mritika. Vishama. Very acute, very critical. This her condition now is viraha, pangs acute, pangs separation, completely mad. Now she is lying, rolling on the ground, unconscious, fainted. This is condition. This is condition of Radharani. You must go there immediately. Yes, you must go there immediately. Do you understand? So, hearing all these things, Krishna's viraha also increased. Krishna's viraha, Radha viraha, Gopi viraha increased. Then she became like that. Hands and legs pushed inside, eyes dilated. Mahabhav is Jagannath. Is Jagannath. That is Jagannath, Mahabhava Prakash. Gopi Viraha Vidura, Radha Viraha Vidura is Krishna Viraha Vidura. Both are there. Two Viraha Viduras, Krishna Viraha Vidura and Radha Viraha Vidura, Jagannath and Chaitanya. Stayed together in Jagannath Khetra, Vipralambha Khetra. Understand? It's Vipralambha Khetra. Mahaprabhu stayed there. Mahaprabhu stayed there. Always crying. And the Gambhira, that small room is there, who has gone there, he might have seen, still there. Kasi Mishra's house, same. That is Gambhira. And his most intimate, two Sakhis, Lalita Vishakha, that is Swarup Damodar Goswami and Raya Ramananda. Swarup Damodar Goswami, Raya Ramananda, they are two Sakhis, Lalita Vishakha. Krishna in Radha Bhava is Gaura. So two Sakhis Radharani's intimate Sakhis, Lalita Visakha, they are in form of Swarup Damodar Goswami and Raya Ramananda. The same feeling Mahaprabhu has, the Radha's feeling. Feeling acute pang of separation. Krishna has left Brajabhumi, gone to Mathura. And Radharani speaking to her intimate Sakhis. When Gaura sees intimate Sakhis, Raya Ramananda and Swarup Damodar Goswami, so cries. Yes. So Swarup Damodar Goswami, Lalita Sakhi, very intimate. So my Sakhi, my girl companion, is Radha Bhav. The same thing is said, Ko Nanda Kula Chandrama, Ko Sikhi Chandra Kalankriti, Ko Mandra Murailava, Ko Nusrendra Nila Duty, Ko Rasara Satandavi Sakhi Jivan Rakhyo Sadhir Nidhir Mama Srutama Ko Vathanta Hadhik Vidhi. The same words. He uttered the same words Radharani had uttered. So, this is the mood of Gaura. Do you follow? This is the mood of Gaura. Always crying. Crying. Feeling pangs of separation. So, can't sleep. You can't sleep during night. Can't sleep during night. Both day and night, feeling such pangs of separation from Krishna. Same madness, same delirium. One day, he talked. He talked with Swarup Damodar Goswami, Raya Ramananda. Talking, and discussing this about Krishna Prema, doing Tattva, and it became midnight, Ardharatri, midnight. Whatever mood coming in the mind of Gaura, accordingly, Swarup Damodar Goswami sings songs from Chandidas and Vidyapati. Yes, Chandidas and Vidyapati. Nice songs they have written. He sings and nourishing his mood. And sometimes Mahaprabhu quotes the verses from Srimad Bhagavatam, that is there, 10th canto, and crying. In this way is past midnight. Then Swarup Damodar Goswami and Raya Ramananda somehow made Mahaprabhu sleep in the Gambhira. And Govinda, they went back to their residences and they made Govinda to sleep outside at the doorstep. Do you follow? But Mahaprabhu had no sleep. He couldn't sleep. Ardharatra, it's past midnight. Mahaprabhu started Sankirtana. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram. Loud kirtan, doing loud kirtan, and Govinda sleeping there, he's hearing all these things. At that time there were three doors. Now all doors are closed. No entrance. The one small opening is there. All doors are closed now. The 3 doors were there. All 3 doors were bolted. Do you understand? All these 3 doors were bolted. Yes. But it's wonderful that Mahaprabhu, how he left, came out. All 3 doors are bolted very tightly. Doors are not open. How he came out from that room, small room, and big compound walls were there, tall. How he jumped over it Went away. Do you understand? So Govinda was listening kirtan, but after some time no kirtan was there. So Govinda woke up and saw lighted lamp. There was no electricity, it was all lamp, castor oil lamp, lighted, and saw the 3 doors were bolted, but no sound is coming. So where is he? He's not there. So Mahaprabhu went, and at the southern gate of Jagannath temple, do you understand? Some cows are there sleeping. They are Tailangi Gabi, cows from South India, Tailanga, this. And Mahaprabhu was lying there, fainted. Do you follow? Like a tortoise. Legs, hands pushed inside. Tortoise, the Jagannath form. Tortoise. Legs, hands pushed. Mahabhav. Do you follow? So Govinda couldn't hear any sound. So he called Swarup Damodar Goswami. What happened? So all devotees came, they lighted lamp, and they searched everywhere. Where is Mahaprabhu? Where is Mahaprabhu? Where is Mahaprabhu? Searched many places but couldn't find. At last they saw Mahaprabhu there, lying there. I mean, this cows, Tailangi cows, like a form of tortoise, Kurumakar. Hands, legs are pushed inside. Do you understand? And some foam is coming out from his mouth. Do you understand? Foam is coming out. And tears are coming out from his eyes. Do you understand? And his body is looking like a pumpkin, Kusmanda. And outside you touch is all cold, like a dead body, cold. But inside is transcendental blissfulness, ananda inside. And those cows, they are smelling Mahaprabhu's body, and they try to drive them out, but the cows are not going. And they tried their best to get back the consciousness of Mahaprabhu, but they failed. Mahaprabhu couldn't. They failed to make Mahaprabhu conscious. Mahaprabhu is unconscious. So in that condition, they carried Mahaprabhu and brought back to Gambhira. Do you understand? Then Swarup Damodar Goswami very loudly chanted in his ear, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare. So after some time, Mahaprabhu got back consciousness, Bhayadasa. The hands and legs came out. His real form came out. Do you understand? Then he asked, Swarup Damodar Goswami, I heard very sweet singing of Krishna in Vrindavan. I had been to Vrindavan. Why did you bring me here? Why did you bring me here? Saying this, again started crying. Ha ha Krishna prana dhanu. Ha ha padda lochana. Ha ha Krishna prana dhanu. Ha ha padda lochana. Ha ha divyo sadguna sagaro. Ha divyo sadguna sagaro. Ha syama sundara. ha ha pitambaradhara, ha ha shyama sundara, ha ha pitambaradhara, ha ha raso bilaso nagoro, ha ha raso biलासो नागरो, कहाँ गेले तोमा पाई, तुमी को हो तहाँ जाई, कहाँ गेले तोमा पाई, तुमी को हो तहाँ जाई, एते बोली चलिला धाइया, एते बोली चलिला धाइया, स्वरूप ठिकोले करी प्रभुरी आनिलो धरी, स्वरूप ठिकोले करी प्रभुरे आनिल धरी, निज स्थाने बसाइल लैया, निज स्थाने बसाइल लैया. This is Mahaprabhu's mood. Ha ha Krishna pranadhana, ha ha padmalochana, ha ha divya sadguna sagara, crying. I had been to Vrindavan, I heard the sweet singing of Krishna. I had been to Vrindavan. Why did you bring me here? Why did you bring me here? Then started crying. Ha ha Krishna pranadhana, ha padmalochana, ha divya sadguna. Oh Krishna, who is my life and soul, heart and soul, pranadhana, ha padmalochana, oh lotus-eyed Krishna, ha divya sadguna, who is the abode of all transcendental qualities, ha ha shyama sundara, oh shyama sundara, oh pitambaradhara, blue garment, pitambaradhara, ha ha rasa vilasa nagara, oh dancing in ras dance, कहाँ गेले तुमा पाई, तुम्ही कहता जाई. Where shall I go? Where shall I find you out? Please tell me, I'll go there to find you out. You tell me, where shall I go to find you out? Please tell me, I'll go there. Saying this, he got up and started running away again. And then Surabdhamdara Goswami got up, cut hold of him, catched him tightly, brought him back. Brought him back. This is Gaura. Gaura Leela. Feeling pangs, separation from Krishna and crying always. Rurudyamana. Crying. That is Gaura. Do you understand? Crying for Krishna and Jagannath is crying for Radha. Krishna Viraha Vidura and Radha Viraha Vidura. Two Viraha Viduras meeting together in Purushottam Khetra. Understand? That is Gaura, that is Jagannath. And strange meeting between the two. Yes, it's Krishna Viraha Vidura and Radha Viraha Vidura. He's crying for Krishna and crying for Radha. He's crying for Krishna and he's crying for Radha. Two are crying. Ecstatic mood. This is Mahabhava. Such is Gaura Leela, Krishna Leela. Do you follow? Same. This is same Leela, but mood is different. The Sambhoga, Vipralambha. Brother Leela is the Sambhoga side, Gaura Leela is the Vipralambha side. That's Leela Prabhaha, this flow of Leela, the flow of a river. A river has two embankments. Similarly, the flow of Leela, Krishna Leela has two embankments, Sambhoga Tata, Vipralambha Tata. Embankment of union, Sambhoga Tata, embankment of separation, Vipralambha Tata. So, in Sambhoga Tata, embankment of union, that is Braja Leela. Vipralambha Tata, Viraha Tata, that is Gaura Leela. Two Leelas going on. Two embankments and Leela Prabhaha. Lila is like flowing, flowing. Eternal flowing, bas. Do you follow me? This same Lila, nothing else. It's to understand. This is Gaura Lila. And Gauranga Mahaprabhu, Prema Purushottam gives Prema, Adhuta Karunya, wonderfully merciful. And who made even the trees? Who made trees and jungle beasts, jungle animals, deer, tigers, lions, chant Hare Krishna and dance. Only he can make everybody chant Hare Krishna and dance. Even jungle animals. Yes, while passing through Jharikhanda jungle, forest path, Jharikhanda, going to Vrindavan, at that time, but staying in Jagannath Puri Dham, devotees from Gaudadesh from Bengal, every year they go there during this rainy season, Chaturmas, 4 months. Ratha Jatra time is coming. Do you follow me? Ratha Jatra time, this Chaturmas begins. They go there, stay there 4 months, associate with the Gauranga Mahaprabhu and see Jagannath in Ratha. Then they come back. Shivananda Sen, they are devotee of Mahaprabhu. And bhaktas, devotees, Gaudadesh, they are going, doing Padayatra, walking, chanting, walking. Not going by train or rail at that time, it's not such thing. Padayatra they are doing. And devotees, their whole family, Shivananda Sen's family, his wife, his children, all go. Yes, once. Shivananda Sen was the leader of Padayatra party. So, once his wife, his son, his youngest son, Puridas, were going to Purushottam Khetra to have the darshan of Mahaprabhu. They went to see Mahaprabhu. And his son, youngest son, Puridas, he was a baby at that time, baby. You understand, baby. And Mahaprabhu gave name. All right, he had not given any name. Shivananda said, Mahaprabhu said, give what is the name of this baby. No, we have not given any name. So Mahaprabhu said, all right, keep his name Puridas. Puridas. Mahaprabhu gave that name, Puridas. Do you understand me? Yes. So, when that baby, her mother put that baby in front of Mahaprabhu, Mahaprabhu thrust this toe into his mouth, baby's mouth, and baby sucked to it, like mother's breast, sucked. Thereby he got mercy. Puridas got mercy that year. So after a few years, now Puridas is grown up, say 4 or 5 years old, started speaking. You understand? Again went to Purushottam Khetra with his father and mother. So with his father Shivananda Sen, he went to see Mahaprabhu. When Mahaprabhu saw him, Mahaprabhu said, is now speaking, starting? Yes, he has started speaking. Yes. Mahaprabhu said, all right, Puridas, you say Krishna, say Krishna. Mahaprabhu repeatedly said, say Krishna, say Krishna. But Puridas didn't say. Remained silent. Remained silent. His father Shivananda said, hey, why don't you say? Say Krishna, say. His father also said. But he didn't. He didn't say Krishna. He remained silent. All became amazed. Mahaprabhu said, what is this? I made jungle animals, even trees, creepers, chant Hare Krishna. But I failed to make this child say Krishna. Huh? Do you understand? Prabhu kahe ami namo jagatilo ailu. Prabhu kahe ami namo jagatilo ailu. Thavor porjanta Krishna namo kohailu. Thavor porjanta Krishna namo kohailu. Mahaprabhu said, I made everybody in this world utter name of Krishna, chant Hare Krishna, even this Thavar, even the trees, mountains. Yes, they utter. I made them, everybody. It's Thavars. Yahare Narilu Krishna Naam Kahate. But I cannot make him utter Krishna, this child. It's wonderful Leela of Mahaprabhu, wonderful Leela. Do you understand? Hearing this, Rupnandant Goswami said, Mahaprabhu, I think Puri Das is uttering name of Krishna because he is not uttering loudly, because you gave this confidential instruction to him. Mantra, you gave this mantra, a very confidential mantra. So, he don't want to speak it before everybody. So, he is chanting this mantra in his own mind. I think so. Swarup Damodar Goswami says, not uttering loudly. That is one day's incident. Next day, do you understand? Next day, again Puridas went to see Mahaprabhu. Then Mahaprabhu said, Puridas, utter a verse. Utter a verse. What is that? Hey, start taking utter Krishna. Now Mahaprabhu saying utter a verse. It's so amazing. When Mahaprabhu said Puridas utter a verse, he uttered a very nice verse immediately. Sravaso kubalayo akhno ranjanang raso mahendra mani nama vrindavana ramaninang mandanang akhilang harir jayati. Nice verse he uttered. Nice verse. Sravaso kubalaya akhno ranjanam raso mahendra mani nama vrindavana ramaninang mandanam akhilang harir jayati. Do you understand? Whole heart I became amazed. What is this? This boy? He was only 6-year-old boy at that time. He has not gone to any school, not studied, no education, not started education. How could he utter such nice verse? Savasa Kuvalaya, let Hari Jayati, let that Hari be glorified. On whose, do you understand? 2 years, this Nila Kamala, blue lotus, is decorated. 2 years are decorated. Blue lotus and Anjan, ointment. Mother Jasoda has put on nice black ointment on his eyes. And Uraso Mahendra Manidama, on whose chest Kaustuva Mani is there, is decorated. Do you understand? And that Lord Hari and Krishna is all ornament, Akhila Mandana, all ornament of the damsels of Vrindavan, damsels of Brajabhumi. Let that Hari be glorified. This is the meaning of that verse. Such nice verse he uttered. Amazed. Everybody became amazed. What is this? 6-year-old boy, not gone to school, not started education, nothing. How could he utter such verse? All became amazed. Yesterday, he didn't utter name of Krishna. Today uttering such verse. This is Mahaprabhu's mercy. मूकं करोति वाचालं पंगु लंघयते गिरि जत्कृपास्तमं वंदे श्री गुरु दिनतारिणे परमानंद माधव. Muka dumb, cannot utter a word. Here gets mercy of Paramananda Madhava, Sri Guru Paramananda Madhava. He'll become an eloquent speaker on Vedas. All knowledge will be revealed. Vedic knowledge will be revealed to him. It's Krupa. Nothing, no special endeavor that I acquire Gyan. What Gyan? Do you understand? Do you understand? This is Krupa. It's God's mercy of Gauranga Mahaprabhu. Mahaprabhu's Krupa. That Puridas later became Kavi Karnapura Goswami. He became Kavi Karnapura Goswami. And he wrote this Chaitanya Chandrodaya drama Natakam and Gaura Ganadasa Deepika, Ananda Vrindavana Champu, Alankara Kaustuva, many granthas he wrote. This is mercy of Gaura. Because I was saying yesterday, simplicity is Vaishnavism. Sarata in Vaishnava. Puridas, small boy. Heart is so pure. No duplicity is there. No crookedness. Kapatya is there. Do you understand? Simple child. As simple as a child. So, and a son of a devotee, Bhakta Putra. Simple child. Those are like that. They get mercy of Mahaprabhu. They get the mercy of Mahaprabhu. Yes. This is one of the leelas of Mahaprabhu and Mahaprabhu's called as mercy. The simple child, the simple children, and children of the devotees, devotee children. Parents are devotees, Sivananda Sen. Whole family were devotees. So, Mahaprabhu saw what is mercy. Mahaprabhu's mercy. That someone gets this as mercy, Mahaprabhu. So he can do wonders. He can do wonders. Mukam karoti vachalam. He may not have acquired any knowledge, jnana, he may not have gone to any school, university, college, no education, nothing, but all Vedic knowledge will be revealed to him. Do you understand? Mukam karoti vachalam pangulangayate giri. Simple. Get the mercy. Cry for the mercy of Gauranga Mahaprabhu, Guru and Gauranga. Yes, that is everything for us, nothing else. Isn't it? Thank you.
Since our mind is so crooked, how do we develop this simplicity?
Give up crookedness.
It's so difficult to become simple.
Then how can you get it? However difficult, you have to do it. When you are a child, you are not crooked. You are simple, isn't it? When you grow up, you became crooked. Why? Because you mixed with crooked persons. That is association. Then you develop crookedness. Isn't it? Ishwaradas. When you are a child, you are not crooked. You are so simple. I was saying, a simple child, you give him one laddu, smilingly will come to you. But you have some evil body in you. I'll give this laddu to this child. His mother has put on very valuable ornaments on his body. So I'll give him a laddu, grab him, take him to that jungle, kill him, stab him, and take away the ornaments. You have that intention in your mind, but you're offering a laddu to a simple child. It's so simple. Smiling, he comes to you. Understand me? So when you are a child, you are simple. Why crooked now? When you grow up, you develop crookedness. Because you mixed with such crooked persons. This is association. Then you develop crookedness. And now it is very difficult to give up. Very difficult. Yes, very difficult to give up. This crookedness, yes. Unless you become simple, you cannot develop. You cannot get the mercy of Gauranga Mahaprabhu. You cannot develop this bhakti, pure bhakti, Sudha bhakti or Prem bhakti. though he gives. Do you understand me? Huh? So cry for his mercy, Mahaprabhu's mercy. Unless you shower mercy, O Mahaprabhu, how can I? It is very difficult to give all this crookedness to become so simple. Understand me, Sardas? Huh? Cry before mercy, for this mercy of Mahaprabhu. Huh? So Mahaprabhu make arrangement. Huh? Those are real sadhus, Vaishnavas. They are as simple as children, as child. Sadhus are simple, you understand? Real sadhu, Vaishnavas. Huh? They are not crooked persons. Simplicity is Vaishnavism. Sarata hi Vaishnavata. And Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Maharaj says, I repeatedly say, it's better to remain in the species of birds, beasts, insects, worms. Huh? Do you understand? Huh? Better to remain in the lakhs of species, other species, birds, beasts, insects, animals, worms, germs. But getting the rarely achieved birth, human birth, don't allow duplicity to enter into you. He says like that. Understand me? Ishwardas. Huh? Mahajanas, they have said. Otherwise we cannot develop. We cannot develop bhakti. No. No Vaishnavism. You cannot become Vaishnava. Yes.
You were speaking about separation.
Ah.
Two verses I actually wanted to ask you about for some time. Madhya chapter 2.
Ah.
They talk about this, and I can show you. I wondered if you would explain these verses for us. This Prabhupada says this verse in common language called Pakrita. These two verses. Mahaprabhu was speaking these things, and he's saying that I don't have love, because if I had love, I couldn't exist. I couldn't live. So,
love of God is devoid of cheating propensity is not possible within this material world. Yes. If there is such a love, there cannot be separation. For if there is separation, how can one live? Yes. What do you want?
and the next verse is also similar.
Agaitava Krishna Prema. Huh? Jena Jambunada Hema. Yes. Sei preman loke na hoy. Jodi hoy tar jogo, na hoy tabe biyoga, biyoga hoyle kyahana jiyoy. For pure love for Krishna, just like gold from Jambu River, doesn't exist in human society, doesn't exist in this material world. Yes, if it existed, there could not be separation. If separation were there, one cannot live. Yes, what do you want?
I've read some things that Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur says that sometimes when the sadhaka attains the platform of praying, that he can no longer maintain that body because the praying is so much. But sometimes Krishna may keep the devotee. That's what I'm trying to understand. How it is that someone can have praying and stay in the material world. Seemingly. He's not in the material world. But
He is not in material world, Baba. Who has Krishna Prem? Apparently he is in material world, but is not really in material world. In material world there is no love, is lost is here. Other day saying. Huh? Well, here is kama, no prema. Material world, no question of love. He says here. It's not human society, not in material world. It's available there. Kingdom of Krishna. Krishna Dham, Krishna Loka Baba. It is not subject matter of this material world. It is perverted reflection, material world. Is perverted, is lost. There is love, here is lost. Kama prema. Follow me. Many times I have explained, you might have heard in Bhubaneswar, I have said. Kama prema. Lost and love. Look alike. Like pieces of glass and pieces of diamond. Lost is like pieces of glass. And love is like pieces of diamond. Look alike. Pieces of glass and pieces of diamond look alike. But one is a person who can understand these are pieces of glass and these are pieces of diamond. Who is an expert person, only he can recognize. Otherwise nobody can. An ordinary person cannot recognize. They look alike. Pieces of glass and pieces of diamond. Similarly, Kama and Prem look alike here. It is a complete opposite here. But there is Akash Patal Prabhed, hell and heaven difference. Pieces of glass and pieces of diamond. Nijendra Pritivansha Tare Boli Kam. Krishnendra Pritivansha Dhare Premonam. Isn't it? Desiring of one's own sense gratification. That is lost, kama. But one who desires to give all pleasure and satisfaction to sense of Krishna, that is prema. The same desiring pleasure, giving pleasure. Do you understand? One's own senses and senses of Krishna. This is the only difference. They look alike. So here everything is going on lost, kama. Because everybody wants his own sense gratification. Who desires to give pleasure and gratification to the senses of Krishna? So it is absent here. Follow me? Such premi bhaktas, those who have descended here from that world, though apparently they are here, but they don't belong to this human society or material world. Do you follow? Therefore it is absent. Understand? And that prema is there is no viraha. Prema means a tight bondage, very tight bondage. Krishna has become bound up with the rope of love in his heart. The very separation. If that separation, his heart goes out, man will die. It says will die. He cannot survive. Yes. If your heart goes out, heart will taken out from you, can you survive? Nobody can survive, they will die. So, Krishna is bound up in the rope of love, very tight bondage, there in the heart. If it's taken out, separated from you, how can you survive? If you discuss, I have discussed, you might have heard, Bhubaneswar, this is Uddhava Sandesh. What Sandesh, what message he has brought? Uddhava has brought what message? He has brought Krishna. There is no vyoga, no separation, O gopis. There is no separation. Do you follow me? Who is such a premi bhakta? Always thinking, and was bound of Krishna, drop of love in his heart. Where is separation? No separation. If heart is taken out, then death will come. How can he survive? And what is that viraha? Viraha means outward separation, inward union. That is viraha. Understand me? Outward. Externally, Krishna is not with me. Understand? Away in Mathura or somewhere. But internally, he is there in the heart. Understand me? That it says. Understand? And Uddhava Sandesh, that is explained very nicely. Very nicely explained. Do you understand? I have many times explained that thing in Bhubaneswar, Uddhava Sandesh. Yes.